we're going to talk about salespeople or marketing. So, in your opinion, with your business, what is your opinion on would you invest in marketing over hiring a salesperson? What are your thoughts on that?
It's a great question. We are finding that that's where we head. We are spinning on marketing rather than salespeople because as we are moving into more of the co-managed space, those conversations are often executive to executive, leader to leader, and so sometimes it can be hard to have a sales guy in that interface because the sales guy's kind of a yes man and just wanting to make the sale, and they're not always as technical or understand the nuances. So we're finding that it's often a couple of our directors meeting with the leaders of the other customer is a lot of the sales cycle, and so it's hard to have somebody just dedicated to sales doing that because they don't always know how to answer the questions. We're finding we land business often by telling people what we can't do rather than what we can do on some of these projects. They're like, hey, we want you to do all these things. Well, you can't do that currently with the way Microsoft's configured. You do it differently, but what you're asking for doesn't exist, and people appreciate that when you understand the solution and its capability. And I think that can be hard for a sales team to have that level of understanding. And so for us, we're investing in marketing, and then it's our leadership team that does a lot of our sales these days.